Hey Nailscapers, just a few minutes here we're gonna get, all you can see is my ring light and my glasses. In just a few minutes here we're gonna get started. I've got the box and I'm waiting for you to join me, so come on in. I have to put my glasses on so I can see anything. Okay. All right. Hello. I'm going to jump on here on my iPad so I can see your comments. How are you guys doing? Hi Dee Dee. Hey Deborah. Alright, now I can see my ugly mug. Here we go. Okay. I'm set up in my kitchen. This is fake. It's the only space I have when it comes to, you guys, I wish I could share with you. I live in a 2-bedroom apartment right in the city of Chicago, and when it comes time for boxing the boxes, it turns into like an assembly line factory, and so any space that I can find to just like do what I need to do and have maybe just a little bit of space to myself to do this is like a luxury. So alright, so who's excited about the March April box? Whee! I'm gonna unbox it with you here live. There's a couple of things I want to tell you about it and about each of the items inside, and then we're gonna talk about that photo box. So spoiler alert, if you haven't opened your box, definitely avoid this live until you've opened it, because we're going to be getting in depth about everything. So should we open it? Yay! Now I don't want to be immune to the orange crinkle madness, so I have a box that's full and as crinkly as yours was. My mom and I packed these and we had orange crinkle everywhere. My dog was actually covered in crinkle, so it was pretty funny. Alright guys, so inside we have, of course, the insert card that tells you everything that's inside the box, and this really cool quote from Miss Pop just for our box, so that was pretty neat. Love her. Thanks, Miss Pop. I guess we'll start in alphabetical order. Okay, also shout out to our graphic designer Morgana, who does these really every month. She does really cool stuff for us, so thanks very much for the prettiness. I really have to put my glasses on, you guys. I can't read your comments. How sad. Don't get old, it's rough. Okay, hey Carolyn, hi Kita. You guys are awesome, thanks for watching. Alright, I'm gonna take these, because, if I stay like this, you can't see my ring light. Perfect. Orange Crinkle Palooza. So let's move some of this. I will have orange crinkle all over my kitchen now, that's okay. Alright, the first thing I want to show you is the Cuchillo Natural Detox Soak. I know this is not a new product, but it's a product that a lot of you haven't yet tried, and it's one of my absolute favorites. And I wanted to have everybody take another look at this guy. So this is the starter kit with one treatment, and be selfish, use it on yourself. Try it out, see what you think. I use this on a lot of my celebrity clients because if I'm mobile, or even if I wasn't mobile, I don't use a pipeless pedi system. I actually use a footsie bath. So this actually kind of makes it feel like a whirlpool because you get that same kind of bubbly action from the big tablet that you drop in. So it's great for pipeless pedi. It's great for if you do have a piped pedi system, but it's got Epsom salt in it. And we all know that there's great benefits to Epsom salt soaking and, you know, inflammation. It can help with swelling, and it helps de-stress and refresh. So sorry, Kat, I know all of you Kiwis really want this box. And yeah, it's got this cool effervescing tablet. Let's open this guy up. Watch me bust my nails off trying to open this guy. Did you guys have trouble opening this? Ooh, they pack it real tight. Ooh. Pardon me while I grunt and make really ladylike noises. Ooh. It's not like a cooking show where I had this ready to go. Okay, so you open the box up. Hey, inside you've got this guy, which is kind of squished. This is the big tablet. This thing is huge. It's got a big tablet in there. It also has the little baggie of Epsom salt in here. And then what's really cool is it has the mini Somatology massage serum. This is vitamin E, pomegranate infused. And then there's a technique card inside your box to show you how to do the Somatology massage technique. This is meant to be a 15-minute soak and a 15-minute massage. This is a huge add-on opportunity for our pedicures, you guys. And the word detox can mean a lot of different things to a lot of different people. Oh, thanks, Carolyn. However, use it how you want. If your clients will see the benefit in using a word like detox, go for it. So drop this in, let them soak, get that Epsom salt moving and working, and then rub all those toxins away. I'm going to say toxins because we all know how I feel about that word. Whew. It'll feel good, it'll make you more money. Hooray. So try that bad boy on yourself. Jam it back in the box. I'm doing really well. Then we have the Accents Luxio Attitude Collection Mini. This is, as far as minis go, this is pretty big. However, because you are a Nailscape Box subscriber, I'm so sorry about the reflection of my glasses. It's all I can see. These don't ship till April 1st. We already have them in our hands, so connections. Beautiful colors on the Attitude Collection, great for spring and summer. I know a lot of you have said you want to try Luxio, and it's an all gel, no solvent, no odor gel soak-off polish, and it's UV and LED curable, and good stuff. All right. How much of an add-on for the pedis? When I had a studio space and I was still client-facing, I added like 20 bucks on because people respond to marketing language, I find. So if I tell them they're going to get a detoxifying pedicure, they're like, yes, please. All right, so that's our Luxio Accents preview. No one else has these yet, you guys. They don't even ship from the distributors till April 1st. So congrats. Everybody received a random color from the collection, one of 6. So I hope you're using and loving this. Also, when you use this, please, please, please tag Accents and the Nailscape in your photos, because that's how we're going to get even bigger and better stuff in the box, you guys. If the brands are seeing that we're using this and loving it and trying it and talking about it, then it will behoove them to be a part of it. So just a little tip from you to me. Okay, yay. I had to wrestle this away from my mom. Okay, sorry, I gotta take these off. The Dermelect hand cream. I've worked with Dermelect for a couple years and I'm obsessed with all of their products. They are a little more consumer facing, however, they've taken the most active and effective ingredients in skincare, facial skincare, and put it into body care. So we've all seen those ladies who are pulled really tight and then they have crypt keeper hands because they haven't done anything to take care of their hands. So this actually uses hyaluronic acid, which, if you're familiar with skincare, facial skincare at all, it pulls like 10,000 times its weight in water out of the air and into the skin. So it's really plumping, it's effective, it's moisturizing. And then they have another thing, the papaya extract in here, which is naturally moisturizing. It loosens the bond between dead skin cells and the living ones and helps your skin slough that away. And then the last one I wanted to talk to you all about is the keratin peptides. So obviously that's going to promote healing, growth, moisturization of the nails. And this is the smaller of the 2 sizes they offer. The other one comes in a box. $14 for this. You could retail this to your clients, but basically you want to use this for anyone who is worried about signs of aging on their hands, which we all should be because we are all aging. Anyway, looking for questions. Feel free to throw them in the comments, you guys. I'll have to put my glasses on to see them. Awesome. All right, so Dermelect, make sure you tag them too. They're really active on social media right now. Their makeover base coat is in the FabFitFun box right now, so they're all over social. This is a great way to introduce this brand to your clients, is give them a little treatment with the hand cream, see what they think about it. I believe you can open a wholesale account with them if you have an EIN number. So that's one of my faves. And then these guys have been so good to us. We've received some Luksa products in each one of the boxes so far, I believe. And this is their like #1 product. It's the Luksa Shine. And this is their tack-free UV top coat. Look how cute it is, the pink. Pretty box, pretty packaging. But what's great about this guy is this is their hero product, and you have the full size in your box and in your hands right now. Luksa Shine will work with all of your favorite chromes, your favorite pigments, your favorite flakes. If you're an OG and you've received all of the Luksa stuff so far, it will work fabulously with that. And I really like this that it doesn't, some of the tack-free top coats have a tendency to feel incomplete once you cure them. This one does not to me. It doesn't feel soupy on the nail. So always with any kind of tack-free top coat, you want to make sure that you give it adequate time to cure and then just let it rest for a couple seconds once you pull it out of the lamp. A lot of us don't know that the polymerization process of any kind of light cured product takes a couple seconds after. So if you've ever like wiped too soon and you end up pulling away color, just wait a couple more seconds. But this one is amazing. Also, the ladies at Luksa are so fabulous. They are offering all Nailscape subscribers 10% off your first order with them using the code Nailscape. I'm going to throw a link into the comments and elsewhere in the group for you guys to you click immediately to it and the code will be applied. Or if you want to go visit them right now at luxapolish.com, if you use the code Nailscape, you'll save 10%. They've got some really great stuff. They have a new acrylic gel hybrid in a tube that you can try, which I think we're all pretty excited about. They also have some really great chromes that I haven't seen before and some really interesting like chromeleon style glitters, which are really high quality, well done. They've really got their finger on the pulse at Luksa, and they are a company out of California. So give them a shot. Check them out. Hashtag LuxaPolish. Whee! Alrighty. And if you were a big spoiler hound and looked at the spoiler in the email, this was the product that we spoiled this month, and it's from Dazzle Dry. This is their vegan cuticle remover. If you are familiar with VB Cosmetics or Vivian Valenti, who is the founder and owner and chemist behind Dazzle Dry, I had dental work yesterday and I feel like I can't talk. I'm like, Dazzle Dry. So this is the vegan version, and the reason why it's important to say vegan, I know we've been hearing a lot about gluten-free polish and stuff like that. Who cares? This actually means something. Lanolin is a product that is derived from sheep, and this does not have lanolin in it. It is a vegetable-derived active ingredient. I believe it comes from olives. So this guy has been recommended to me over and over and over again, and the reason why I felt so strongly about including it into your boxes this month was that it's so effective. I have heard from people like Tina Alberino, Jamie Schrabeck, people I really trust and respect, that they don't have to nip cuticles anymore after using this. It's very highly effective, and it also doesn't leave like a weird residue. The instructions still say you should wash your hands afterwards with soap and like a little nail brush if you're in the middle of a service, but you really only need a very small bead of this. It is very effective. It doesn't require gallons and gallons, and it also doesn't drip everywhere. I was a big Blue Cross fan, and I just got so tired of everything flying off the nail and flying off of, onto wardrobe or whatever I was working on. So give this a try, see what you think. I know there's a pending post in the group right now about someone who tried it on a pedi this morning. I haven't approved it yet because I wanted to make sure we stayed spoiler-free through now. But she had great results on a pedi so far this morning, so thanks for that. Hooray! So give them a shout. These come in back bar sizes as well. I like this small size for my kit or on my table, but I believe 32 ounces, 8 ounces, and 4 ounces on this guy. Awesome! Okay, I'm not going to take this one out of here, but you all know what's in the bottom of this box, right? It's a photo box! Can you even stand it? Here, I'm going to slide one over here. So I have this guy assembled. This is our very high-tech photo box. It actually comes with lights. There's a little strip, I don't know if you can see this, of LED lights right here. And I have customized mine. Now I'm going to put on my glasses to read your questions. Yay, you guys have used the Luksa, that's awesome. Carolyn loves it. Very cool. Hello, friends. Okay. No questions yet. That's okay. I won't hold it against you. So the photo box, oh, and now I see that the one just popped up. I really need contacts. I feel like I need contacts. Okay, awesome, Deborah. Thanks for stopping in. You were the one who used the cuticle remover. Amazing. All right, you'll see that post going up after this. So if everyone has assembled their photo box, it's pretty easy. You just snap and unsnap this guy over here. Open, close, etc. And then you plug the smaller end of the mini micro USB into the side here. I like to put this into like a little power bank so that I don't have to try to, you know, put it into a wall and get close to a wall. I just use a little portable power bank. Okay, there's instructions included. It's really hilarious English translation on those. But I have the white background in here right now. So you just attach your little foam background to, if you know if you can see these little tabs inside. And then what I like to do is pull it ever so slightly forward so you get a really nice, what they call an infinity wall here. So if you were placing a product in here to take a picture of it, you wouldn't get a shadow in the back. It kind of looks like it goes on forever. That's kind of the secret to product photography. So if you want to take a picture of what's inside your box with this, I know some of you have been doing that already. It's been really cool, made my whole month. However, if you want to use this for client photos, you can absolutely do that, and it's very easy to do. I just took an X-Acto knife and I cut a little slot in the top of mine. So please, caution, word of caution, I want to limit my liability here. Do not cut this while it is folded and upright. Please unfold it, put a piece of cardboard under it so you don't ruin your table, and cut a little slot in here. And the reason being is I can invite my client to put her hands inside. I put my little smartphone camera in here, and I can use my Nailscape ring light or my off-brand ring light, whatever you happen to have. You can actually clip this to the side of your box or to your phone or whatever it is you want to do to add additional lighting. So what this is for and why this is important is it diffuses the light, and diffused light takes shadows out, and it also makes the hands just look more lit from around as opposed to direct light, which can blur your art. It can show weird lines of light. This can be your little travel photo studio. Your clients will love this. They will love feeling special. They will love every part of this. So come up with some fun combos of how to use these together. And if you don't have a ring light, that's okay. This comes with a light. You can use it in tandem with your table light to get the best possible options. And then there's also a black background that comes with it too. So if you're feeling moody and you want to try, you know, doing something on black, that's cool too. And the best part is you can take pictures from above, just cut a small slot in there. I kind of cheated mine towards the front because I knew if I was going to be having people's hands coming in from the front, they weren't going to, you know, poke all the way to the back. So I wanted to make sure I could get them directly from above. So I'll take some pics of this and put them in the comments so you can see what that looks like. And it really took me about not even 2 minutes to cut that little slot. And it's like 2.5 inches by 1 inch. I tried cutting a circle. This plastic is too thick to cut a circle well. So I abandoned that plan and I cut a rectangle. All right, guys. Well, that is the March-April box. These are actually meant to be framed, so if you like them, feel free to throw them in a little 5x7 frame. And I try to keep the colors and the orientation of them different so that you can try them out, hang them up, have a little gallery wall. That's cool. Also, if there are any more questions, I am here for you. Otherwise, I'm going to sign off. Thanks for listening and being distracted as I am by the reflection of light in my glasses. My parting words are just tag the brands and let me know what you're thinking about everything in the box. I love your feedback. I love to hear from you, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day, all right? Cool. Bye.